International trade is a very simple concept. International trade occurs when two countries, country A, country B, U.S., Europe, U.S., China, have trade flows between one another. In other words, goods from country A moves to country B. There are various degrees of trade, and we're going to look at the two extremes here. One is protectionism or protection. In that case, no trade occurs from country A to country B, and they're totally separate from one another. On the other extreme is free trade. And free trade occurs when country A and country B have no restrictions on consumption flows or flows from one country to another. There are degrees between protection and free trade, and it's very seldom that we get to the point where there is totally free trade. An example of free trade would be between states within the United States. There are no restrictions on movements of goods from, say, Illinois to Indiana or any other state. That would be a case of total free trade. That, between countries, happens rarely, but there are cases when we get very close to that situation of free trade.